welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to open another goodie box. This is the goodie box of December. Goodie box is a monthly subscription where you get a box every month with at least 5 beauty products. It's a Danish company. So I have an affiliate link. If you use that, you get 50% off your first box. This is not sponsored. So if you use my link, you will, as I said, get 50% off your first box. It's better than Glossybox, if I'm allowed to say that. I think I am. Yeah. Well, I received this today. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. I think it's 199 Swedish crowns every month for a box. That's around $18 or something. Well, let's open this, and I haven't seen any of the products on social media yet, so I have no idea what's inside this. Oh, that's so cute. It's white with golden dots. I don't know if you can see. Okay, I'll just turn down the light. So these small dots. Maybe that's not gold, it's silver, I think. Already like it, but every month you get this box, so you can save them and put things in and have it as a decor or something. From me to me. So that's the theme of this box. And inside this, there are descriptions of every product, so I always read these after I've unpacked the actual products. So I just take one product at a time. Let's start. What is this? Oh! Okay. My God! Oh, that's so cute. My God. So, it's a brush. Oh, it's so soft. 101 Plush powder. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, okay, I love brushes. Some of the boxes we didn't get in Sweden because it came to Sweden, or they started to send and deliver these boxes to Sweden after they started in Denmark. So one of the boxes I missed had one of these brushes, but for eyeshadow. I think it's the same brand. Nida Beauty. I don't know. But I was so sad because I thought it was so cute with the glitter and everything. And now I got one. Okay, this is one of the best products I ever received in one of these boxes. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Okay, let's continue. Oh, what's this? So it's a renewing body butter formulated with seawater and helps maintain a healthy looking hydrated skin from Madakadar. I think we got a mascara from them once. Was it in the last or the one before? So this is from the same brand, and obviously it's a full size. Okay, fuck. Did not go so well. I don't know what it smells like. It smells like a fruit. Very good. It smells very, very good. Let's continue. Okay, the next product is a scrub mask. It can be used both as a scrub cream and a deep cleansing mask. From Gabbe. I think it's a full size as well. 100 milliliters. That's very much. So a sleek packaging, white, fun. I only have one scrub mask for the moment, so always good to have a backup. Okay. Oh, next product. What is this? Tease Cosmetics Easy T-Point Eyeliner Scandal. It's water resistant, paraben and gluten free, and quick to dry, and black. So, okay, it's a very cute eyeliner. I'm definitely going to test this myself. Because some of the products I get in these boxes I give away because I have so much of them or they're not, you know. Okay, let's see how the tip looks. So completely black. Oh, I love eyeliners. Really fun as well. And I think it dries down to a matte. Or is it? Also, I love this box. Oh, okay, the last product is a very good product as well. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I was going to buy this when I was in Italy at the airport, this travel size, because I haven't used this, so I don't know if it's worth the money. I'm happy. Okay, let's show you. This is the last product. It's from Benefit, and it's the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. We have received Benefit products before in the boxes. The Pore Professional Primer, and in the advent calendar we got a little very cute size of the Hoola bronzer. So this is the third Benefit products they have given to their customers. I have wanted to test this for a very long time, but always when I'm at Sephora I buy everything else, you know, eyeshadow palettes. So I really love the Roller Lash mascara from Benefit, so I will probably love this as well. We also got a coupon code at Naked, to say that like that. So 20% off, and then you have the code. So always fun to get coupons, because sometimes it's actually coupons you are going to use. So this is all the products and the descriptions. This is written in Swedish, so I have to translate myself, so I'm sorry for a very bad translation. Okay? So the first product is the Tease Scandal eyeliner. It retails for $19, 200 Swedish crowns. It's a perfect eyeliner for everyday makeup. It dries fast and it's both vegan and paraben free. It gives a look of fuller eyelashes. This is your new partner in crime, and it's water resistant. Say hello to your new best friend in your makeup bag. So very fun. The second product is the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Mascara. The original or the full-size product retails for 325 Swedish crowns, so around $30. She gives you a massive volume and it has a gravitation. Okay, it has some weird formulas, some good, I guess. Are you ready to take your lashes to the next dimension? Wiggle the brush from the root to the ends and repeat as long as you want. The lashes will just get bigger and bigger. Okay. And then we have the brush. It's from Nida Beauty. Plush powder brush. It retails for $17, $17, so 180 Swedish crowns. It has soft and synthetic bristles, and it works good with powder and bronzer, so you get a seamless blend. It's a glitter version, and it's made exclusive for you. It's our way to appreciate the sparkle you bring to our day, to our everyday. Something like that. Okay, so the body butter from Manakadar, Sea Minerals Renewing Body Butter, and this is not a full size. It's actually 400 milliliters, the full size. That's big. I really thought it was a full size, but it's not. But the full size retails for around $20, so 232 Swedish crowns. Doesn't your body deserve the best of the best? This is made of minerals from the seawater. It will hydrate your skin and make it soft. Okay, I don't know. We skip the description, but good product. Some of the descriptions is very hard to translate, just like this. I have to you know, really think, and I don't have time for that. So, good product. The last product is the Jojoba. It's a full-size refreshing scrub mask. It retails for $22, so 248 Swedish crowns. It's made of black jojoba peeling balls, other things. Yeah, it removes impurities in your skin. It smells delicious, and it has two purposes. Works like a peeling and a cleanser. Can we get a wow? Yeah, you can. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This box is fucking amazing, okay? I love this. Oh my god, I'm speechless. I love the box itself. This is the first box I feel is beautiful. If you're not already a subscriber, I think you can get this box. I think if you register before January, I think you get this. You can go to their website and check. If it doesn't say, you can of course email them or call. Yeah, you know. But I think you're not screwed. I think you can still get this box. So I hope you watch this before January, so you... Oh, I want everyone to have this. This is so good. I'm so happy. If you want to subscribe to this is the month to do that. And of course you can use my link, as I said before. This is not sponsored, okay? I do not get money for this or products or nothing like that. I get goodie points if you use my link. With goodie points I can buy boxes when I have enough. Not sponsored, okay? But if you do use my link, I get points and you get your first box with 50% off, so that's awesome. Oh, really recommend this. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell. And yeah! Okay, I see you in the next video. Bye!
This would be